Hey, what's going on, guys? This is a quick video for those who have issues with a car cranking, GM cars cranking, no start. This vehicle is an '03 Alero, Oldsmobile Alero, so it should be the same with Grand Prix and same issue with Grand Am and other GM vehicles of the sort. When you get in the car, you crank, you turn it, and all it does is crank, but it'll choo 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 choo, but no start. But you didn't have any problems before when you got out of the car last, uh, and then you get back in the car again after a while, and it won't start. And you know you have gas, you have fuel, you have spark, everything. Well, the problem a lot of times is the security, and there's a security light on your radio, and then there's a security light on your dash about here. And when you turn the key, you see that, sorry, there's a security light. You can see it is there. If that light is flashing when you turn the key to the on position, that means it's a security system that's set. And to fix the problem, it's a real simple fix. It just takes a while. You simply leave the key in the on position for 10 minutes. And you want to time this so you give it at least 10 minutes. And that light will continue to flash for the 10 minutes. And make sure you have a good battery. And then after 10 minutes, you want to shut the car off. Turn it off to the off position. And then wait for about 5 to 10 seconds. And then you want to crank it again. And at that point, the vehicle should start. This is a security issue where the security system is basically disabling the fuel injectors. So you might get where you can crank it and get it to almost turn over, because every time you're going to get a little fuel pressure, check to listen for your fuel pump starting. As you turn it to the on, you should hear a hum, like a zzz, or a small hum where it's very faint. And it'll go for about 3 seconds, 4 seconds, and that's your fuel pump engaging. That means your fuel pump is working. So if it's not, if you hear that fuel pump engage, you know you have fuel, and you can check the valve on the fuel rail, and you'll get fuel, but not a lot will come out. It'll spit out, but it won't spit out continually. That lets you know that the pressure is not getting to the fuel injectors, and that's the car's security features. Basically, it's like the security feature on a remote start. It basically blocks the starter, so it won't start. But this blocks the fuel injectors so that they don't fire. And should be back on the road. It's a simple fix, 10 minutes. Make sure you have a good battery, and make sure when you do this, make sure you do this in a secure place, because you need to leave the key in the car and on. You either sit in the car or do it in your garage, or do it somewhere where you can watch your vehicle from inside the house, or from a distance where you want to make sure that nobody bothers your vehicle. But yeah, guys, that should fix you. Hopefully this helps. If this helps, guys, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you on the next one.